Does Santa Claus have a belly button?
No.
He doesn't? Do
Yes.
you?
No.
Do you have a belly button? You don't? Do you have one, Lyndon?
Yes.
Does Santa Claus have one?
Yes.
What's it for?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, let me ask you another question. If you were Santa's elf, what would be your favorite toy to make?
Legos?
Legos? How about you, Kate?
Legos?
Legos would be your favorite
Or
toy to make?
Minecraft
Where did
toys.
Santa Claus get all those elves? Where'd they come from?
Santa used to be a dad, and all the elves used to be kids.
What happened to them?
They turned into elves, and Santa turned into Santa.
How'd they get their pointy ears?
I don't know.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Santa Claus, how does he get down the chimney?
With his red nose.
Around the fire.
Around the fire?
No.
So he doesn't get burned up? How does he squeeze down the chimney? He's so fat.
Well, for his red nose, he can go down.
What?
His red nose.
His red nose what?
I don't know.
Okay.
Red nose. One time I met this real Santa Claus.
Okay, well tell me how Rudolph got his red nose, his bright red nose.
I don't know.
Oh, are you doing your thing?
No.
So your kids